All right, here we go, our last application problem. This is for business. So in this case here, it says a lawn service company has fixed monthly costs of $500 and variable costs, labor, gasoline, and depreciation, of $40 per lawn. Okay? If the service charge is $60 per lawn, write a cost function representing the cost C of X to the company to service X lawns per month. And then they want us to write a revenue function for the same thing, R of X, where X is the number of lawns per month. And then we would want to determine the number of lawns that must be serviced in order for the company to break even. All right, so here we go. So now, so in this case here, what do they give us? Let me look. I missed something. Okay, so 500. Yeah, so 500. Okay, so 540. Yeah, 540 and 60. 540 and 60. Okay. Okay, cool. So now, so the fixed cost is going to be $500 per month for the company. The variable cost is going to be $40 per lawn, or excuse me, $40 per month for a cost, right? So that's variable based on the number of lawns that they do. So that's going to be variable based on the number of lawns per month that they do. And then this is what they charge for each lawn. Okay? So now the first thing is they want to the cost function, right? So so the cost function, C of X, that's going to be the cost, right? So what are the two costs? The fixed and the variable. So the cost function is going to be what? It's going to be the 500 plus the 40 that's based on the number of lawns that they do per month, right? So X is the number of lawns per month. This is going to give us your cost function. That's it. That's all you needed to do. That's all they asked us to do. Now B is they want the revenue. Now revenue is money coming in, right? Cost is money going out. Revenue, money coming in. So now the revenue, where does the money coming in come from? Just this, the amount of money that they charge for each lawn, to service each lawn. So that's going to be what? 60 times X. Okay? Or 60X. Okay? That's it. Now, determine the number of lawns needed to break even. Okay. The break-even point is when your cost is equal to your revenue. Okay? Or when your profit is zero. So remember, profit is revenue minus cost, right? So you could do a profit function and set it equal to zero, but let's just use the cost and revenue function because it's the same thing. If cost is equal to revenue, that's your break-even point by definition. So for C, what we're going to do is we're going to set these equal to each other, right? So we're going to set revenue equal to cost and see what value of X gives us our answer. So we have Is there another one? I just want to make sure I'm not, hold on, I want to make sure that I'm not doing it differently than the way they want us to do it. Yep. Yep, that's the way, okay. So we're going to set them equal to each other, so that's going to be 500 plus 40x. Let me do it this way. 40x is equal to 60x. And if we divide everything by 10, we'll get 50 plus 4x equals 6x, which gives us 50 equals, ooh, hold on. Equals 2x, right? Because if I subtract 4x from both sides, I get 2x is equal to 50, right? And then, of course, if I divide both sides by 2, I get x is equal to 25. So the break-even point is 25 lawns per month. So that's what the goal is. I have to have 25 appointments per month for servicing lawns in order to break even. So anything above that would then be profit. Would actually put profit into the company. All right, that's it. Have a great day.